Hi, second graders. I'm Miss Dioria from Citizenship Academy. We're getting into your next lesson in Module 3. We're getting into Lesson 15 today. Today you're going to need something to write with, something to write on, as usual. So go grab those things. Come back when you're ready. Ready? Okay, so again, we're going to be looking at our base 10 units, and we're going to be talking about when there's more than 9 groups of 10. So kind of moving our numbers around, and we're going to work on some word problems today. Before we do that, for our warm-up, we're going to start with comparing numbers. Now, when we compare numbers, you probably remember from first grade, we use one of these 3 signs. I want you to pause the video and talk with someone at home about what you remember about these 3 signs. Awesome. So we have a less than sign. This is used to show when a number is less than another number, a greater than sign, and an equal to sign, okay? A way I like to think about it is the Pac-Man or the alligator eats the bigger number, so its mouth is open to the bigger number, okay? So go ahead and grab your paper and your pencil out because we're going to start with comparing some numbers. So I'm going to show you 2 numbers. You're going to either choose the less than sign, the greater than sign, or the equal than sign to compare them. I want you to write the sentence down on your board so that we can practice reading it together. So I'm going to give you the numbers 93 and 80. Go ahead and write me the sentence to compare those numbers using one of those 3 signs. I'm going to do the same just to show you what it looks like. You can pause the video, take as much time as you need. Come back when you're ready. Okay, ready? So this is what my comparison sentence looks like. I'll make myself bigger. I have 93 is greater than 80. 93 is eating the 80 because 80 is bigger. 93 is bigger. So 93 is greater than 80. Do you see how the mouth is kind of open to the 93? So that's how I want you to do it. We're going to practice saying it. 93 is greater than 80. All right, let's try the next one. You're going to write the next one on your paper too. Compare 25 and 78. Go ahead and do that on your papers now. Pause, come back when you're ready. Got it? So let's read that sentence. We should have 25 is less than 78. 25 is less than 78. Thumbs up if you got that. Good job. Remember, our mouth is open to the 78 because it's the larger number. All right, try this one. Go ahead and write that comparison sentence. I'm going to do the same. Pause if you need more time. Okay, read it to me. What'd you get? Awesome. 37 is greater than 17. Awesome work. 37 is bigger, so the mouth is eating the 37. All right, try next one. 48 and 85. Go ahead and compare them. Make sure when you're writing them on your board that you're writing them in the order that they are on the screen. Okay, that's important. It's important to how we read the sentence. All right, what'd you get? Good. Oop, I messed mine up. 48 is less than 85. Awesome work. 48 is less than 85. All right, let's try the next one. Compare 82 and 74. Make sure you write 82 first and then 74. We read it across that way when we're comparing numbers, when they tell us what numbers to compare. So go ahead, pause the video. Tell me how that's going to look. Got it? All right, read me your sentence. Good job. 82 is greater than 74. Excellent work. Our little Pac-Man alligator mouth is eating the 82 because it's the bigger number. All right, 77 and 77. Go ahead and compare those 2 numbers. Ready? Go ahead and read your sentence to me. Very good. 77 is equal to 77. Same number, same value, they equal each other. Excellent job. All right. Now, let's get into our problem set for today. Make sure you pay attention to this, wink, wink, because your exit ticket is going to be very similar, wink, wink. All right, here we go. Pencils come in boxes of 10. There are 14 boxes, okay? So there are 14 boxes of pencils with 10 inside each box. How many pencils are there in all? 14 boxes with 10 pencils in each. How many pencils all together? I want you to pause the video, solve this on your own using pictures, number sentences, words, whatever you need to do. Pause and solve, and we're going to come back and go over it. I'll put this back for you. How many pencils in all? Ready? Okay, so we know there are 10 pencils in each box, so I'm going to use that value of 10 because I know I can count by tens. I know my 10 sticks. I'm going to use that, and I'm going to draw 14 boxes. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40, where I have 10 and 4, 14. Now, I know that 10 tens equals 100, so I'm going to group those guys together, and bang, off the bat, I know I have at least 100. Now, I have 4 extra groups of 10, so I'm just going to count those on. 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. 100 plus 40 equals 140. Remember, use what you know with your groupings of tens. You know 10 tens equals 100, right? You know that. So rather than counting all the way up to 140, let's group those tens together, get that 100 out of the way, make it easier for us to add. So we have 140 pencils all together. Ready? Keep that 140 in mind. The principal wants to have 300 pencils for second graders for October, November, and December. How many more boxes of pencils does he need? So they have 140, they want 300. I want you to pause and solve. You can use a picture, you can use a tape diagram, you can use a number sentence, you can use a number line. Whatever makes most sense to you, I want you to pause and solve on your own. Got it? Okay, let's go over it together. So he wants 300. Here's our picture of 300. I have 3 separate groups of 10 tens, right? Because I know that's 300. 100, 200, 300. Done. Easy peasy. Now, we have 140. So let's take that 140 away. Okay? We know we have that, so let's take that 140 away. So let's take 100 and 10, 20, 30, 40. Now, how many are left? We still have 100 left right here. So we have 100, 110, 20, 130, 140, 150, 160. So we have 160 pencils that we still need. How many boxes is that? Yeah, it's 16. Very good. So we need 16 more boxes of pencils. Again, you could have solved that a different way. You could have written a number sentence and decomposed. You could have used a number line. You could have used place values, discs, whatever works for you. But you should have came up with 16 boxes of pencils the principal still needs. All right, let's do one more. Ready? The principal found, 7 boxes in the supply closet and 4 boxes in a desk drawer. Now does he have what he wants for the second graders? So he found 7 boxes in the supply closet and 4 boxes in a desk drawer. Does he have what he wants for the second graders? He wanted 300. We figured out in the last problem that he needs this many more boxes of pencils. Does he have that? Pause. I'll move my picture so you can see the problem better and solve the way you think. You can use pictures, number lines, place value discs, whatever makes most sense to you. Does he have what he needs after he found the 7 boxes in the supply closet and the 4 boxes in the desk drawer? Come back when you're ready and we'll go over it. Okay. So he has 114. Now he found 7 boxes in the supply closet, 4 in the drawer. So that's 11 total. So let's add those 11 on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Now, does he have enough? Very good. He still needs that 5 more to get to that 300 that he wants. Very good, guys. Okay, so for your exit ticket today, you're going to be doing something very similar. We know that pencils come in boxes of 10s. Your questions are now switching gears to a little girl named Erica. She wants to know how many boxes of pencils she needs to get to 127, and then a couple other questions after that. Use number line, use pictures like we did today. Use number sentences, whatever makes most sense in your brain. Solve that way. Remember that 10 groups of 10 equal 100, so work off of that with the higher numbers. Okay, boxes come in groups of 10. 10 groups of 10 equal 100. You got this. Choose the best answer. Be very careful with your answering. There's only 3, but work through them. You did a great job today. Very proud of you, and I'll see you next time.